It started in about the end of 2016, early 2017, when I realized that we had a problem with QuickBooks Online in that it took developers 3 or 4 days to set up a new build of QuickBooks Online coming into the code base. And so I started playing around with Docker and containers and Docker Compose as a way to bring that time down to only about an hour. In late 2017 at KubeCon, I met a small company called Aplatix in the vendor showcase, and we wound up acquiring that company, and it took our expertise in cloud native technologies from 0 to 60 overnight. The impact has been tremendous in probably three ways. On our normally deployed public cloud properties, it's been about 3 nines of availability is what we can really get out of it. And what we see on the Kubernetes deployed clusters is it goes up to 3 nines and a 5, which is, from an availability perspective, is twice the availability that we had previously. We've seen a huge decrease in our mean time of recovery, down from 45 minutes typically to under 5 minutes, whether we can roll forward or roll back releases in that amount of time. The third thing that we've seen it is in what we would call deployment cycle time. So this is the time that engineers, from when they commit their code into Git to when a customer actually sees their code. And we can take that down to under 30 minutes, and it makes the developer super excited that they just check something in and a customer gets to use it and they get the feedback. We have this thing that called Global Engineering Days that we run, where we cancel all meetings and make that week about engineers, and it's a choose your own adventure theme. And the adventure that most of the developers have chosen in the past 2 engineering days is onboarding their services, whether they're new services or existing services, onto Kubernetes.